Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey everyone, this is Matt Kazowski here at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and we are back with another episode of the Tech Buzz with the Guz. Today we are going to be talking about one of the coolest new 2020 innovations in appliance technology, winner of the Good Housekeeping Seal for being an innovative technology in appliances, and it's the GE Ultra Fresh vent system. This is honestly a pretty big breakthrough in terms of appliance laundry technology. So front loaders are considered, to be a popular favorite, growing in popularity due to their being, more energy efficient. They get a better clean, all of these things that Consumer Reports has spoken on about, the advantages of front loaders. But a constant complaint is the smell, the odor, mildew, mold forming in front loaders due to problems with drainage and odor-causing bacteria due to excess water. GE Ultra Fresh technology has been able to address that through several new developments. So as you can see with this Ultra Fresh vent option that they have here on their control panel, you are now able to combat that buildup of excess water, which leads to odor-causing bacteria, through 3 different mechanisms that are going to drain, dry, and defend. The first one for drainage is they've actually redesigned their drainage system here by making this a little bit of a more slick surface on the gasket, beveled angles on the drainage holes, and that's going to help the excess water and everything drain better. So that's the first element of it. The second one is drying. So as I mentioned, you press this Ultra Fresh vent button after you do your load of laundry. Previously, people would either have to open the machine up, wipe it down, or just leave it open in order for that excess water to dry. But now, when you press that Ultra Fresh vent button right after your cycle, you will be pulling in and circulating air through this vent system here, and the tub will actually start rotating, making sure that all of that excess water that's built up in there is drying off through constant air circulation. So we've covered drain, we've covered dry, and now the coolest part is actually defend, showing key elements such as the gasket here, but also here with the detergent dispenser, you see this kind of Carolina blue material. It's microban. Microban is a technology which is actually built into the material, and it resists the development of bacteria that cause mold, mildew, and odor development. So GE has, effectively kind of solved this problem of odor and bacteria development with front load laundry, all through the Ultra Fresh vent system, and that's why it's won this Good Housekeeping Seal. So it's a really, really great piece of technology that GE has developed. I'm sure we're going to see other brands start to try to replicate this. And yeah, it's one of my new favorite, appliance innovations in 2020. And I definitely think you should go check these machines out if you are in the market for a washer or dryer. But that's what we have for you today on this episode of the Tech Buzz with the Guz. Make sure, if you already haven't, that you hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.